Hey guys, good morning. Hope everyone is doing well. आजको vlog चाहिँ I am going to the office, but technically हाम्रो office हैन, it's on one of our clients' office. अब म घरबाट निस्के, weather चाहिँ त्यस्तै हो. What I was saying, सिडनीको weather चाहिँ त्यस्तै हो हैन, पानी परिरहा, तर I hope trains are running in time है त. भर्खरै उमेश दोस्तले फोन गरेको थियो अनि उमेश दोस्तले भने अनुसार चाहिँ ट्रेन एपमा करेक्ट देखाए पनि एकदमै डिले छ रे. अब छ कि छैन, we will have to go up and check. Here.
Petersham, Stanmore, Newtown.
The train is not normal. It's so busy. Train अहिलेसम्म आएको छैन है. म ट्रेन आएपछि I don't know if I can make a video. किनकि last busy छ जस्तो छ train. So I'll see you up when I reach. Winnet station, Winnet station आइसके. I hope ढिलो नभएको होस् हैन. So we have to take this now. Hello guys, I'm almost at the client's place. Your client को चाहिँ एकदम they are एकदम isolated भएर I don't think I can capture any footage. But anyway, if I can, I will. Alright, I think I might have to see you guys in lunchtime. Guys, lunch time भएको छ. Lunch time मा म चाहिँ अब टक्क खै के खाने भनेर लन्च लिन जाँदै छु. हल्का हल्का टाइम टेप्सहरु चाहिँ छ. पानी सानी परेको यताउति गरेको. I will add that of the video. बाहिर आइसकेको छु. धेरै हिँड्न झ्याउ लागिरहेको, पानी परिरहेको. You can see the weather. I think I'll probably grab Subway. उतै छ Subway just down the road. Easy lunch. मिठो पनि हुन्छ. Subway is too busy. So just waiting on the line. Alright guys, Subway has been secured. But I don't know where should I go and eat. अब कहाँ गएर खानी भनेर टेन्सन भइरहेको थियो. त्यो क्लाइन्टकै अफिसमा गएर खाना हुन्थ्यो तर अलि अड लाग्छ के. That's why. I don't know where should I go. Maybe I should find a food court that's nearby and we'll grab it from there. अब त्यहाँबाट खाने कि बाहिर गएर खाने कि कहाँ बसेर खाने टेन्सन भइरहेको यार. के गर्ने होला, पानी परिरहेको के फेरि. The problem is it's raining and I don't know where to go to eat this. अब केही छैन, anyway, all good. I will figure it out and then we'll eat. The lunch has been secured. तर कहाँ बसेर खाने हो I still don't know. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I've decided to eat on my desk. Okay, I'll see you guys after the lunch. काम पनि सकिसकेको छ. It's too busy. आज लास्ट बिजी भयो अनि 5 बजिसक्यो. It's too dark. अब घर जाँदैछु. Okay guys, on my way to home. अब यस्तो अँध्यारो भइसक्यो आज है. अब I have to catch the train. म त ट्रेन पनि हेरेको छैन कति बजे छ भनेर. The आवाज is too disturbing. यहाँ साइडमा बस छ. कत्रो ठुलो आवाज गरे यार. Hey, time for home. अब ट्रेन स्टेसन आइपुगे. Thank God the client's office is very near to the train station. जाँदैछु. यहाँबाट जानुपर्छ. यहाँबाट हुँदै है त. हामी आयो. How cool is this? म स्टेसन आइसकेँ. लास्ट पानी परिरहेको यार. अब घर जाँदैछु. कस्तो पानी परेको आज. जाडो नि बढ्ने भयो. काम सकेर घर आउँदाखेरि आजकल यस्तो अँध्यारो भइसक्छ. अब पानी परिरहेको. अब गएर सुषमाले खाना बनाइसक्यो होला. अब गएर फ्रेश भएर खाना खाने. अनि I think खाना खाएपछि we will end this video and then I'll have to edit and upload. Alright everyone, घर पनि आइसक्यो. अब डिनर खाने. And after that, I think I might have to end this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Thank you all.